You are welcome to my channel once again, and today we'll be discussing on how to open Afri Investor 2.2 to enable you trade Nigerian stock market. And in Afri Investor 2.2, you can only trade Nigerian company share. That is only what you can trade on Afri Investor. So without wasting much of your time, if you really want to invest in stock market and you want to buy Nigerian company share, the platform which you are going to use, and I'm going to guide you on how to create their account. And in this video, I will also guide you how to do your KYC, and I'll also show you the companies that are listed in Afri Investor 2.2. This is the brokerage you can use that will enable you to be able to buy your share instead of going to the bank to buy share. Through this Afri Investor, this brokerage, you can be able to buy your share and monitor it over time with your phone, and now see the progress of what your phone is doing. And in the next video, we will talk about the bamboo. This bamboo you see only trade US stock. Then when you talk about this trove here, this one you see in this round of it trade both US stock, Nigerian stock, and other country stock like Chinese and the rest. But meanwhile today, let me take you to Afri Investor, which is this one, Afri Investor 2.2. So if you are new to my channel, as you are watching this video right now, and when we proceed, I want you to hit on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, so you can be able to get subsequent video that will be coming from us about Nigerian stock market and international or foreign company share as well. You have to be part of what is happening. So when you go to Google or you are going to your Play Store, just type Afri Investor and it will come up this way. So what you have to do, you have to sign up. You click on sign up this way. You follow this video to the end. I don't need to rush this video to enable you understand every single step. So you have to click this place. First and foremost, since you are signing up new, you have to accept. And for those that are new to this, one thing you have to do, you enter your email. I think let me just use any of this email. Okay, let me use any of this email. I've entered my email, then phone number. Actually, I have an account for this already. I will just enter phone number. See, you understand how all of those things are being done. Then you can enter your date of birth. You can just enter your date of birth. This, let me choose February, then the year. You just have to choose the year 2000, then and all of that. Then you come, you choose the date. That is correct. You create password. You have to make sure that your password are a strong password. Let me give you an example of such a strong password that you can create. Now here you have to come here, use capital letter alphabet. Let's say this way. You can go this way, maybe your name. Let me see in such a way that you can view it. So you go this way. I think you just have to, let me say my name is Omanle. I now use capital letter. Look at capital letter. Then 1, 2, 3. Let me see if it will open up for me to see what I'm doing. Yeah, the spelling are not correct. You see what I do here now? It give me, this is what will give me access to create my anything. You see that we use capital letter. We first of all use position mark, we use capital letter, then we use numbers. You see that it gives us a strong password. That is that. Then after you've done with all of those places like this, you click on sign up. Automatically it will send an OTP to your email. You have to go to your email and say bring in this OTP, which I wouldn't want to do that. I'm not trying. Okay, but because of this, for the purpose of this training, let me just go there and do. I will send an OTP to your email. So you have to go to your email to confirm your email. So I will simply go to my email now and do a confirmation on the email. So this is my email. I have to come here, then get my email confirmed. Check on this email. So what did you see? This is Afri Investor. They have sent their OTP. This is the one-time password. You can, don't know, let me copy, leave the copy will work. Then you bring it back to this place. Then you bring it back to paste. And you confirm the email. Yes, you've done with the registration. You've done with the registration. So now you have to create your PIN that you will use to access the Afri web anytime you want to do transaction here. Let me see. Let me create a password. Password that you know you will not forget. 3062. It's easy for me to remember. 3062. Hope you're following. If you find this video interesting, click on create pin. If you find this video interesting, I want you to like this video, share it with others. Now we have done. As you can see, you are all set. Welcome to your new Afri investor experience. So we want to explore it. Now this is it. Now, like as you can see now, this page, select account type. These are still processes on what you can do. So you have to come here and select. We have different account type. So like the way in the traditional bank, we have savings account, current account, fixed deposit account. That is how it is here. That is the account we have here, and there are differences, because the difference is that maybe like from your savings account, a daily limit of what you can withdraw, and what you can withdraw your daily is 30,000 naira. So simply you can choose any of these. You can choose any of these, the Grove, the Classic. The Classic have unlimited withdrawal. So these are some of those things. Let's say you are going for this. You are going for the pop. Then you choose your account type. You click on this. Follow every step here from the beginning to the end. Now you have to continue by verifying your. I've done all of these things before, so I don't have to come here. So the next step of what you will do here is to enter your BVN, your personal information. When you click here, see that you enter your BVN, your personal information, next of kin, and document. This document is your KYC. So you click on these places, you see, these are the requirements. Afri investor required by federal law to collect your information to help prevent a fraud and a money laundering. So you enter your bank details here, you select the bank you are using, blah, 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 account number, account name, you enter your BVN. Then this is for enter your BVN, first name, and all of that. Once you have done with this side, you save it. It will take you to the next page. Just like as I told you, I have all of this thing do. So once you are done with all of this one, you cannot go. You can't save and continue, because all of this requirement, we need to enter them. And I wouldn't want this video to be long, because once it take you from here, the next place is taking you to this this very side. It is your what? Your next of kin detail. Then from here, you do your KYC and upload your document. Your account will now be successful for use. So I hope you understand, you find this video interesting. And if there is anything you don't understand, you can follow the link on the description box to join our support group on WhatsApp, where we can guide you in every step you need to take to be a successful investor. You have to live your life around investment. And one of the things is that we know that if you want to be financially buoyant, if you want to secure your financial future, what you have to do is to start investing now. Investment is the only guarantee and the surest way to protect your financial future. But where can you invest? Real estate and stock market are the surest places for you to invest. If you are looking for a Ponzi scheme for where to invest and get your money now, no. Stock market is not for you. Real estate is not for you. When you invest in stock, when you buy this company share, you have to wait over time for your money to grow over time to give you huge return on investment. I'm sure from stock market it's over 75% return on investment annually. So let me dive down to the main account. So I'm going to stop here. So when you follow all of those processes, when you create account, you do your KYC, say your account will be active. I've created other account before, so I need to log into that account. So we leave here like this. I think we're going to log out from here and now log in another account. Let me log this account out. Now I've logged in from there. I want to take you to guide you how the platform work on Afri investment. So after you have done your registration, you come in this way. You have to log in. Follow every principle here, one after the other. So when you log in here, you see we have a portfolio here of with a value of 17,000 naira. This portfolio as at last week thereabout, we actually bought this stock about 21,000 naira. So we actually right now the stock is not doing well, but it is still doing well. That is why we told you buying a company share, it is something that you have to live and wait for it to grow over time. It is not a get rich quick. Now this investment was 21,000 naira, but look at it as at today, it has been pulled back to 17,435. So what does that mean? That there are some particular shares that are not doing well here. You can see what he says. So this is when you come to this place after you have log in, you're done your KYC and everything. This is how your page will look like. Your page will look at this is the home page. When you click it, what are you seeing here? You are seeing list of stock. Then these are commercial papers. We have two of there. When you come to this place, you see all of the stock that are listed here. You see all of the stock that are listed here. These are the name of the stock. This is ABC Transport, and ABC Transport is selling currently at 0.76 cents. That is why I told you with as low as 1,000 naira, with as low as 5,000 naira, you can become an investor to save your financial future over time. Okay, if you are a salary earner, you can decide to be keeping 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira aside to be buying some company share. That is why you need somebody, a mentor in this industry that will guide you on the right time to buy and when not to buy and when your stock is really doing well. So these are the list of stock. You can see this is Airtel. Airtel is selling now for 2,200. I think last year when Airtel was actually selling last year. Let's see Airtel last year. You can see this is the total chart of Airtel. So if you look at it now, this is the opening of today, and this is the low. Airtel started selling for the past 52 weeks. We started selling for 1,275. That is why. But look at it as today within the period of 9 months. You can see within a period of 9 months, it is now 2,200. Did you know what profit they have made? Those that bought it as 1,270 per unit of share. Let's say you bought 100 unit of share. Today, your 100 units of share, when you minus 1,270 from 2,000, and I see that you are having over 1,000 plus. Then you calculate it, that your profit and your number of unit of share you bought. So that if you bought 100 unit and you have already taken a profit, a huge result on investment of over 70. Yeah, of over 80 something thousand naira. That is one of the good things that when you buy this company share, your investment grow alongside with the company. So this is how to do it. This is Airtel. Now let me tell you something. If you are using Airtel and you don't have a share with Airtel, you're not growing. So that is one of the things. You have to buy your share with any company you are using. If you drink Coca-Cola and you don't have Coca-Cola share, I'm not sure you are doing yourself the right thing. Because one of the things is that you have to have their shares. therefore to enable your investment to grow alongside. So these are the portfolio. You have to spread your portfolio. These are all the stock that are here, that are listed here. You can see all of them. This is Biox Cement, Beer Food, and all of that. Cap Oil. See the listed. This is what Champion. Nigerian Brewery is here. Let me see Nigerian Brewery. Nigerian Brewery. Coming. So these are some of the things that are here. You only in this Afri investor, you trade only. What did you trade there? Only Nigerian stock. This is Alco. They are currently selling. Alex, Axo Savings and Loan. Name them. Beggar is selling. Beggar Pen, they are selling. Dangote Cement and all of that they are selling. This is Champion. This is corn oil. You look at, so when you want to buy from them like that, this is their communication. They are selling, their communication is selling currently. It's selling currently for 0.43 cents. So you see, with your 10,000 unit of share, with your 10,000 or 5,000, you can get 10,000 units of share. Today you can see Dangote Cement. This is the cost of Dangote Cement as at today. This is Dangote Sugar. Let's see from the previous 1 year how far Dangote has been doing. How far Dangote has been doing with this share. I think Dangote actually starts selling for 310. And look at today, we are having 532. So by the time you minus this 310 from this 532, you see that is a huge return on investment. We're talking of over 240. They are around 200, yeah, around 220. 220, yeah, return on investment per share. So what if you have 1,000 units of share? You calculate the same thing, your 200 times 220 times your 1,000 units of share. That is the amount of profit that you are taking. So instead of you leaving your money in the bank, it is better you banking your money in buying shares. And you are among the big guys that have it well. You better bank your money in real estate, because the money you leave in the bank is losing purchasing power, while money you invest is gaining a purchasing power. If you have used 100,000 to buy this share as at last year, by now your 100,000 will definitely give you 200 and something thousand naira when you do the plus and minus very well, and you will discover that your 100,000 will gain a purchasing power, but that money is in the bank, it will not have a purchasing power. So if you are new to this channel as we're talking, if you find this video interesting, click on the like button. You have to click on the like button, share this video to others to enable them as well know what is happening in the stock market. Being that me and my student, we are doing well in this industry, and that is why we have bring it up to you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe to the channel for you to get interesting video from us that has to do with real estate, that has to do with stock market, has to do with forex trading, to enable you have a successful financial future. We don't want this video to be more than 20 minutes anyway. So I can see Eternal is also selling. Eternal is selling currently for 22 naira per share. Selling currently for 22 naira per share. FCMB is selling. But apart from those persons selling, there are things you have to look out to before you buy. You don't have to buy because see that the prices are shooting up. That is when you have to buy. This is GT Guaranteed Trust Holding. They are also selling. So what do you do? That is the more reason why you have to join our master class for you to get daily tip on how to become a successful stock market trader, for you to know where and how to invest your money, for your money to use return on investment for you over time. For those of you that drink Guinness and you are taking Guinness, you don't have Guinness share, how will your money grow over time with Guinness? You have to put in your money where your money is growing over time. Product that people are consuming every time. Make sure you buy their share. This is hotel, you use hotel, Fidelity Bank is selling and all of that. With this, I'm sure Jais Bank is selling. If you put in your money with Jais Bank now, it means that your money will grow alongside with the bank. You are making profit alongside with the bank. Julius Berger today is selling for 130. That is the opening of the market. Let's see how far Julius Berger has been doing for the past previous year, for the past previous week. Load, load, load. We are exceeding our 20 minutes already. Now look at Julius Berger was start selling as low as 100 and what? It would start selling as 29 naira, 29 naira 10 cent. That was around a week or a year ago. 52 weeks, around 52 weeks a year ago, it was selling. But look at it today. So those that bought this at 29 and today it's at 130. So when you remove 29 out of, they are taking profit of over 100. Yeah, they're taking profit of over 100 naira already. So let's say somebody that have 1,000 unit of this share of Julius Berger. When you calculate your 100 naira times this 1,000 unit, you see amount that you have made. Something that you were buying for 29 naira per unit of share, and you'll be able to buy 1,000 unit of. What if you buy 10,000 unit of it? You just have to minus the amount you bought and the current price that is selling. See that you can be in huge profit. Because what if you leave this market for over time, in 5 years, in 3 years, in 4 years from now, and you diversify your portfolio, you will end up having a successful financial future. That is on the home page. And when you come to this place, these are the portfolio. These are all the, you see the summary of every of your portfolio, what you've bought. The share that you've bought, this is what you are going to see on the portfolio. Yes, this is a African prudent. You just get all of those one here. This is, see that this is 1,000 units of the share and it's around 8,400. Let's see how this share is doing today. Actually, it's dropping because when it's in profit, you have to see all of those places green. But as at today, the market dropped. It lost purchasing power of over 4%. So that is on this one. Let's check other one. Let's see how other ones are doing. This one lost purchasing power of over 4% as well. Let's see Cotex. Yeah, Cotex lose woefully. And this is the right time. We're going to talk about this when you are in the master class. When you join the master class, we tell you the right time for you to buy, to bank in more profit. Okay, let's check these other ones. Let's see the ones that are doing well. As at today, this one is also, and these are the right time for you to get involved in the market, to just see what the market is doing. This 1,200 unit. Now you see that this share was 1,200 unit and it was bought for 384 naira. If I told you with as less as 500 naira, you can buy a share like that. And look at, I think it's at the percent, what percent is this? Of making growth of over 70%, 7% interest. You can look at it. That is zero total return of today. Because this is 1,200 unit and it was bought at the rate of 384. We just got your 0.2%. We move further to Veritas. Veritas is also doing well. I told you when it's doing well, see that it will be green, it will not be red. That is it. This share was bought for 1,200. 1,000 unit of it was 1,200 at the rate of 1 naira 0.2 cent. This is 1,200 to get 1,000 unit of share. So you don't have any reason why you shouldn't invest now. You might not have excuse to give to your children tomorrow why you are not successful or why you are not a successful investor. This market now, this is the right time to buy. With as low as 700 naira, you get a unit of 900 unit of share. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have any other question, you can just let us know so that we'll know how to follow up with you. Join our master class. Follow the link below to join our master class. Welcome. Thank you. Bye.